Today we will revise lesson 10, light, reflection and refraction. Context of text series. Of the following material cannot be used to make a lens: water, glass, plastic, clay. Water and glass can be used to make the lens, but plastic and clay we cannot use as the lens. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed by the virtual erect and the larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? The image formed by concave mirror. Concave mirror is this, and this is focus center of curvature. Only the sixth image will be large in this. Sixth image it will pass from the focus center of curvature, meet behind the mirror, and then the erect, virtual and larger image are formed. It means between principal focus and center of curvature. Principal focus and center of curvature wrong. At the center of curvature wrong. Beyond center of curvature wrong. Between the pole of mirror and its principal focus. Yes, this is the right answer. If we put the object between the pole and focus, then the highly enlarged virtual and erect image is formed by the concave mirror. Where should an object be placed in front of the convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? At principal focus of the lens. Where should an object be placed in front of the convex lens? Convex lens. This is the convex lens. This is the convex lens. To get a real image of the same size. Same size image is formed only when we put the object at the 2f. Then the rays pass through the focus, then optical center, and then the image formed at the 2f of the same size. Then the object should be placed at principal focus of the lens. No, this is not right. At twice of the focal length. Yes, this is the twice of the focal length. This is the right answer. At twice the focal length of the lens. At infinity, then the image formed will be at the focus. It is also the wrong. Between optical center of the lens and its principal focus. Between here. No, this is also wrong. Right answer is at twice the focal length. At twice the focal length of the lens. Next question. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each a focal length of minus 15 cm. The mirror and lens are likely to be both are the concave mirror. Question. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. This should be the either plane or convex, because in the convex mirror the sixth image is formed erect, and also in the plane mirror image is the erect. Both give erect image where size of the image in plane mirror is same, but it is diminished in the convex. Next question. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters in a dictionary? If you want to read small letter in a dictionary, then we should use convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Smaller the focal length, more the magnifying power. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of distance of object from the mirror? When the object is placed between pole and principal focus of concave mirror, an erect, enlarged, virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Therefore, range of distance is greater than the 0 and less than the focal length, less than 15 cm from the mirror. Name the type of the mirror used in the following situation. Headlight of a car, concave mirror. Concave mirror are used for headlights of the car to give concentrated beam of the light. Side or rear view mirror of the vehicle. Then it is mostly the convex lens because it will give wider field of the view of the back traffic. Solar furnace. Solar furnace use concave mirror to concentrate heat to a point. That's why in solar furnace concave mirror is used. It will always concentrate the heat or light. One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? Explain your observation. It will form complete image, but intensity of the image will half as that with complete lens exposed. Nature, size and location of the image will be the same since light from all parts of the object reach the exposed part of the lens. Object 4 cm in size. An object 4 cm in size. Size is h is equal to 4 cm. Placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. Is placed at 25 cm. That object is placed. It means 25 is u. 25 cm. Concave mirror. Mirror is concave. Of focal length. Focal length f is equal to 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror? It means distance we have to find out. From the mirror, should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. Now first draw the diagram of the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Here is the focal length. Here is the center of curvature. Now you can draw any image, then you can see the image formed is towards this side, and here f is minus, image is minus, and object is minus. It means all the sign convention will be minus. They will be the negative, and answer should be in the negative side. Now write down the formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. V have to find out the v. Now bring this on this side. 1 by f, and this will come on this side, then it become negative 1 by u. Now put the value. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. F is minus 15. U is minus 25. Now take the LCM. 15, 25 LCM is 5. 5 ja 25. 25 3 ja 75. And 15 5 ja 15 5 ja 75, and this minus and this minus become plus, and 15 3 ja 75. Then it become minus 5 plus 3, then minus 2 is more by 75. Now cut this. If you will cut this, then it become the 1 by 2 3 ja 7, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 15. Then it become the this 1 by 37.5. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 37.5. When you cross multiply, then you write down v is equal to 37.5 centimeter. This is the image distance. Then the image should be placed here. Image should be placed here at the distance of 37.5 centimeter. It means the image is real. If the image is formed on this side of the mirror, then the image formed is real. Then the image is real, and at the distance of 37.5 centimeter from the mirror. U is 25 and V is 37.5. It means 25 is smaller, 37 is larger. It means image is larger or enlarged. Image is large or enlarged. Because 37 value is more than the 25, it means image is real and large. Now find out the distance. H dash by h is equal to minus v by u. These are the two formula for the mirror. Now put the value. H we have given 4 centimeter. H dash we have to find out. If we cross multiply this, then write down h1 is equal to hv by u, and minus sign is here. Now put the value. H dash is equal to, h is 4, v is 75 by 2, and u is minus 25. Now solve this. 25 3 ja 75, 2 2 ja 4, and this become the 6. Minus 6 centimeter. It means image distance is 37.5 and image is real and large and at the height of the 6 centimeter. Next numerical, an object of size 7 centimeter. Size 7 centimeter means h is equal to 7 centimeter. Is placed at 27 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. Mirror is concave and it is placed at the object is placed at the 27 centimeter. Focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? At the what distance? We have to find out the distance of the image so that a sharp focused image can be obtained. Find the size and nature of the image. Now again draw the image. Any image you can draw. Any. You can take the help for the sign convention. Take this image. Now f is on this side, f is minus, u is put here, u is on this side, u is minus, and image is formed on this side, image is also negative. It means u is minus, f is minus, v is minus. Now write down the formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now again find out the v, then change into this side, it become minus. If this is plus here, then it become the minus. Now put the value. 1 by f, 1 by minus 18, and 1 by u is 27, minus 27. Be careful about the sign convention, otherwise the answer will change. 1 by 18 minus, minus minus plus, 1 by 27. Now find out the LCM. 3 6 18, 3 2 6, 3 54. Now divide 54 by 18, 18 3 54, and 27 2 it means minus 3 is 1 more than the plus 2, it means here minus 1. Then by 54, 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 54. Cross multiply this, then it becomes the v is equal to minus 54. Here the size of the object is 27, but the image is 54. It means image is highly enlarged and real. On this side of the mirror, image is real and inverted. Now find out the distance. This is h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Cross multiply this. H dash is equal to hv, minus sign is here, and u. Now put the value. H is 7 centimeter and v is minus 54 centimeter and u is minus 27 centimeter. Then it will cut 27 to the, then it become the minus 14 centimeter. Minus 14 centimeter. Don't forget this sign. If you forget this sign, then it cut minus with the minus, then answer will be the plus and this will be wrong. So be careful about the sign. Here the image you can find out. Object size is 27, image size is 54. It means it is large, real and inverted. And size of the object is 14 centimeter. Thank you.